Today, owner Jimmy Haslam will try to settle a class action lawsuit against his other company, Pilot Flying J. Chief Investigator Ron Regan explains what you can expect.
I would strongly encourage you to work directly with us.
That's what Haslam told a conference of truckers last May, laying the groundwork for what would lead up to final approval of a settlement deal. 30 trucking companies filed lawsuits in federal and state courts, while Haslam was offering quick cash to settle.
You get 100% of your dollars, and it will go very quickly.
Now, 10 of the 30 trucking companies that filed lawsuits have agreed to a class action settlement. It's identical to what Haslam was pitching last May to truckers. But Pilot now estimates more than 2,400 trucking companies were shorted of fuel rebates since 2005, significantly more than Haslam predicted last May.
250 customers. That number is a little fluid. One day they'll tell me it's 254, and the next day it's 246, but it's held pretty steady. So about 250 customers out of 5,000, as I said.
Now, Pilot Flying J expects to spend at least $72 million to settle the case. Here's what's at stake: $55 million repaid to truckers, $14 million in attorney's fees, plus another $3.5 million for an independent auditor if truckers dispute rebate amounts. But not all trucking companies are taking the cash. Pilot says 59 individual entities, representing about 150 trucking accounts, have said no dice to the settlement, and they could file future lawsuits, something Haslam was hoping to avoid.
It's fairly easy to identify where there's a problem. Occasionally there's no documentation, and so you get into a little bit of he said, she said, but we've been able to work through those.
Ron Regan, News Channel 5.